Oi.
As I come in.
So what you do a little asleep? You cook?
I do it when I bathroom me clean and something.
You clean the bathroom but look on the yard?
So I'm tired, I know my bathroom take time.
Oh, you're tired. You're tired. Which girl can come on my yard?
Let me just tell you something.
Which girl can come on my place?
Let me just tell you something just not too long done do.
You think I'm not joke with you?
I bathroom me cleaner.
That's all I know to do. Is lay down and sleep. I said, I'm going there and I'm going to look. May I come?
That's crazy. I'm not doing nothing. Wait a minute. Suppose me there do something. I'm not doing nothing, you know. What me I do? Every day, yeah, give me one, yeah.
Because that all me come home can do, I see you lay down, prowl out, not do nothing.
Not because
while
I'm some sweet means me I go cheat. Me not cheat, baby love. No. Me say me done David and you me David. Me not look at woman.
So thing I idiot. Remember say me make you look so, you know. Remember good, you know. You walk list. No, you're not even to say you that get up one day and go get a job. Nothing at all. And me have to feed and clothes. Then you back chat to me.
I'm sorry. But listen, you know, if we go out there, you know when me come in, where you come from, so I what me I come from. You not come from and work a girl yard. I mean,
because that's all you know to do. Appear cheated.
So now that you know want me go work, cause you go say me I look girl.
Who?
You.
Who? That's all right for me, you. You just work this. You just want to leech off of me. But me not no problem with you, know. But the fact is, yeah, can girl come on my yard every day. Me hear you. Me hear about you.
You see no?
Me hear about you. People tell me I road.
So no come check me.
Also, you want a girl to come check you, yeah?
Jesus Christ. Me just say.
Okay. So that's your plan. That's why anytime you go on road, that's you go do.
Me not have a plan.
As me come home, you come and disrespect me. Eh? And me I disrespect you, look at me, so now you feel like you're growing, now you want to come beat me, you want to come abuse me.
I never put me on fire.
Yeah, so I raise the voice at me now, all of a sudden. So you not talk to me in that calm manner, talk to me so loud. Relax. Me ask if you cook. So I did not cook. If you come in and cock up my foot and can't do that, me have to cook, don't it? For feed you, for make you feel good. From the time you sleep, I know you choose to go cook.
Let me show you how I'm tired and I just do as
stop raise your voice after me.
Exactly. I'm do as that
Oh, after so that means that so you want after me, you want abuse me. And that. Okay. No rest of they are growing now. Go cook if you want to cook.
Everything we say.
And make me get my food to eat. Me not talking with you.
What do you want to eat?
Oh, so yeah, ask me what I want to eat now.
What's we go cook? You said, I be say really cook them.
Just cook your food, man.
Alright. Give me a bag, I'm carrying the bag.
If you take out my money, go mind, girl.
See, we not to be helpful. Man, a gentleman again. Nah, it's alright.
Sister girl. What do you feel good so? Okay, feel so good. You feel good? Oh, girl, right now come your yard right now. I can't check up on you. So what your man there? Which one? How much money you have? No one man you have and the good man you talk about? Yeah, work. Oh, girl, but she say not give money now. But she say don't give money. Good man you have see there and a plan to go build a house. See and if you come to all broke down board house, yeah. Don't give him bun. Good man. A good man. Good man. Good man. What you call good man? Somebody wanna abuse you, who love you, goes out and work and come back and give you money and have to work. You dey work? Are you working? Where the choke man?
Me just tell someone feel sick. I ask what me a choke on that. Does sound right?
Cause me say about good man.
Listen, he not give me what me want. So for my information, and a good man to me.
I want something short?
No.
So why man a good man?
He not give me the beating the mommy want. That's what I need.
No.
But I want to love the thing.
You say Billy say, yeah, idiot. Me, Billy, said vagina we come out time because you know no sense. Where one man want to beat you for? Eh? Say if man no beat you, say if man no beat you, man no love you. Say one man fi thump in your mouth. You feel if you want to thump in your mouth, you come to me a date and me thump in your mouth.
Yeah, no man. You have a sister.
And I say me thump in your mouth for the man.
Oh. And if you thump no, if you thump them too pian, they're too weak.
She's a girl there.
I don't fear them me once.
Sit down, me tell you this plain and truth. You better take that little foolish thought you have in your head and stay with the man. The man is a good man, the man have money and the man not give you bun. Oh, you want a bad man? A bad man you want?
That me want.
See if anyone
Me want a man who act like them a woman. I mean a woman in a relationship and I me act as a man. Me not see sense.
So you tell me say, when I get the man touch, I man first box it down and kick it down.
They even rough me up. If me do nothing, I'm like, oh, I not saw that girl.
So tell me,
How does that work?
So tell me, you know, you there with a man, right? The man come out one day and lick you in your head, you dead. Or me if you go tell fool brother say, eh? You know say what's that fool brother? Cause all him are the next idiot. Cause me hear say a woman about abuse him. So the two of them no sense. Two of them sense. And you fit there with fame woman.
Where this we come from the same ginger. Like the way who you call idiot?
Nobody.
Me a bigger sister, no? Me never run out of me hand here.
Eh?
You know you me say me never run you out.
So they did run out me. And they train in a temper. I train to come back here yard.
Yeah. Me can't no manners.
Who don't know
And me
manners?
can't deal with you.
Who can do it all?
Can it take time and go on?
Look on God, me head. They see you look a giant head girl. You go and get where they look for. Me say you go and
I
buck
know you
up on
go
a...
get here me. Go on, man, go
You go
on.
buck up on a real bad man. You buck up on a real bad man. Want him tumble to two front teeth them.
And me go come both for you 2 years.
No.
Go on.
Me come got chair yard. Black time for you.
Yeah, go on in here. Go on. Your mother.
How long it take for ready? Chop. It's a big up.
I can't complain.
Why food?
Flo, I just make so fast, you know.
Yeah. And them a say me can't bother with the youth. Every time me come from, we can't get one nice good meal. So me just there I take care of you for nothing at all.
Remember, say me know, say I'm more than 10
Ah,
flour.
what this?
I don't know. Actually, me tired now. I don't feel good. I'm happy.
Man, not tell me say that. Eat up. I go finish the food. You're bright and out there. You can't tell me boy you're tired. Tired way. Tired with spot. Which part are you tired? Me hungry. And I want me to come from.
See, so
No, me there. Good evening.
What happened?
Me there good?
Yeah, me alright.
So what happened? I cook? Oh, I like a 6 year good?
So you asking that? Are you alright? No, do him.
And my brother look like to him sick. You see him?
Something do you?
not feel good for me.
What cause if you not feel good? What cause if you not feel good?
Tired.
So no, sir. What kind of woman you be?
Oh, you're tired?
What kind of woman you be?
Only
No, me a do nothing.
Hmm?
Me a do nothing. Oh, so me no know you talk about what kind of woman me be.
You know, see you coming like one idiot like.
With what? Where my idiot with? Where my idiot with?
You know, I know. It's a yawa. You look sick and you cook before the woman get up. And you forget about cook food game for eating.
Oh, so if you go and work, come back from work and give him money, give him pocket money, take care of him, pay him, clothe him, do everything. And
Yeah,
still turn around, take care of the house.
Yeah, baby.
So him for just there cock up and enjoy his head.
Yeah,
Please.
yeah.
Me never disrespect you yet. Right? Me say, me never where
What
you
are
in
the
my
people
bag?
them bag? Are she a baby? You want somebody to be there? So why you make woman a baby?
I should be on bed, man.
Oh, so you have a big baby? Big baby fear. You want some beating. You want
Leave
some
people business alone.
No, I'm my brother.
It don't matter.
It matter. See, business is my business.
It does not matter. It look like it one day. We keep a question yourself.
I told me no say, if I need little and grow up, he make woman rule him.
No, me.
Sis, I can't never do.
Let me tell you this, girl. Take your time and talk to my brother. Take your time and talk to him.
Tell the brother say we gonna look work and take care of himself, and then that time then nobody want to talk to him now. Yeah.
Oh, so true, yeah, mind him. True, he can't get a job yet. You mind him.
And Trey, if me wait too long for my food and I like it.
So when you come here, you never do work.
No selfish so the day I want to be being alone.
So about the money I make you? Yeah, galang mga maki ka buy selfish.
Oh, me not go downtown.
And now you just said to me a while ago. You said nah.
Say no. So she hear properly.
You're not gonna do what?
You
You are go buy selfish. Me not ask you. Anyways, Miss, what reason? What you want?
I'm my sister.
In a
So
matter.
me, it's a yard, yeah. I might do a pay the bill, but a yard and my brother, yeah, now come yeah. You understand?
Trey, please tell her to go home.
Tell me if I go home.
Tell my sister.
Tell her to go home.
I should tell me what I am, because I saw they have one to beat her. You come be like with sister.
Tell her to go home.
Yeah, me say.
Why am I run my sister?
Tell her sister to go home. She in our business. Tell her to go home.
I mean, I talk to
Tell her to go home.
One in.
Let's talk to her.
Serious? I could never meet my doctor.
Tell me if they talk to.
My sister, I can't go come back.
No, it look like that for you. When you want gonna walk. You fool like our sister and no sense.
Galang woman.
What we you don't know say your sister run your tiny yard.
Sis, run you.
Run your tiny yard, boy. Me say, are you? They say you know, Moshi are the one man. If you pick up my sister, because my sister like when people beat her. And you, she had them
You're not
down.
gone yet.
No, we're not gonna let
Trey,
me
please
soon come
tell
back.
her to go home.
No, man, I disgrace for the family.
Yeah, I put pepper in a baked bean and make
I know that later, but you see next time your sister or nobody come here and you tell them about my business, but what happened here, I ring off your mouth. You're bright. Do anything you want to do food. Just left right in front of me.
I put pepper on the baked bean.
If you ever pepper no food in there, see. You sure?
Yeah, look, sir.
I am.
Tell. I really want to put there.
Sweet.
Are you there?
Yeah.
You cook?
Food in my kitchen.
You cook?
Soup, you want soup?
Nah. You could have asked me.
Anyways, we have something to talk to you about.
Yeah. You be a talk here, you just take over so.
Alright, then tell me what you have to say.
You just say. Today, you could even ask me how work do. How work go.
Alright, how was the day?
See you more. Feel like boss man just I try to push me out. What? I give up. Yeah, leave you take care and you know I go all out. So I work on the house done so. And as soon as it done, you don't know moving and that. Start the next one, can rent it out. I think forget your car. All of the luxury, because you deserve it. I just sorry I can't spoil you as much as I want. I know I spoil it, but I mean as how I don't want it. And it break my heart, but I beg you be. See me a chance. See me a chance, I promise. Things are gonna get better. Just don't play my heart. No work too hard for that.
Me not play the hard.
Okay, good.
But
Okay.
the connection we used to have, it not there again. Me not feel the energy. The energy not there non-stop.
Hold on. You could take this slow. I not think my ear correctly. So I could take this slow. Go again.
Alright, you always said so. I said this so have it has pain. It is breaking apart.
Alright, we could take it slow. So alright, it have fade, but what the cause? What the root cause? Because how something we can work on because from my end, I don't have no history, I never hear really a complaint. I say, because me do what I'm supposed to do. Provide grocery.
You do your hair, do your nails, me do everything. As a man can do. And I can do so much and no more. And if we use everything where we have all of the resources for hair and clothes and something, then when I have nothing to build with, and you have to look on that, I try my best how much I can do. Be honest, you know, I work. One and watch the other. So you tell me now and tell me if I'm being unfair, because I more likely feel like you are being unfair to me.
But just not feel the energy anymore.
Alright, what you really want me to do? Tell me what you want me to do.
Plus, me hardly get attention.
Alright,
It is just
hold on,
and work.
I could take it slow. What do you mean by hardly I get attention? Because when we come in from work, phone put aside. I do my focus on me try watch one show there. Yes, more while I TV I watch me and you know how that go because what? Me I work out. You know what that mean? I gotta work I gotta work 7 days a week. And I like me no want to rest. And when me come, me no go out with me no party, me no dance, me no drink. So where does that come from? You can't mash up me there.
Me mash up the head. Just that me not feel it.
So you want to work on this because you're willing to find the money and make go counsel because me really don't want you give up on me. Me feel like there's better. And you just need for just look around this age and make a polish off the rough edges and get this thing. You have to tell me what you're up to.
But I think this can work.
Just like this.
Mm-hmm.
You sure enough somebody else?
Well, no. I don't have nobody else at the moment.
Be honest with me. Where does that come from? Because you don't have nobody else you say. But me can't understand this.
But just not feel you. I not feel you. I not get the vibes.
What me can do?
Gone.
What me can do to make you really understand?
Give me more attention, and if you don't give me no more attention, you're going to leave.
So what me I gonna do? Stop from work for focus?
Never say I must stop from work.
But me not understand because when I come in as me say, from come in, I do all attention upon everything there aside. So what else?
Attention.
Babe, me sit down, me try watch a show there as me explain. Me talk to you about me day. Honestly, that's no fault of mine. I just nature.
Talk.
Babe, you are one. You have to give and take. You want things done in the house, you want hairstyle, you want everything. I may work towards that. So I'm tired. Yeah, make it look like a spite me do it for or something. Babe. Give me a chance. Correct on this now. Please.
See there now, you all are beg me, you say please. You now man up, man, want some back sometime. And in the bedroom, couple little backs. You just soft so. Right now, I come like a mere man in a relationship. See my friend out there? She tell me how much backs her man I give her. And I show her love. Me want some strong love too. Feel love too weak, brother. Me nah get love. That love ya, I no feel it. This love too soft. More strong love. You need to man up and do better.
What you said to me really don't make sense now. I try to understand. Why would you want me to abuse you? Cause your body nice. B, how will I influence you? Cause why me I wonder if you drink mad puss piss or something? Cause me here I go on the man. Stop the foolishness. We could work on this. I feel I need counseling. I can't love you and abuse you. That's not no love what you talk about. I second time you come to me with this nonsense, you know. The last time you come and talk about Keisha, man, when Keisha asked him for lunch, I say, hey, idiot, girl. A bull and back jokes and ray, and I kick you for kick me down and ray. My friend, that not gonna work with me. I love you, and I genuinely love you. I can't abuse nobody with me love. I know some of you show love. In fact, I never grow so. So for that you come to me, what? Different hero.
See then, me and him attack and he just gone. Before he strangle me, like what Shensia say. And put me down. Why? Me can't. No. Nope.
Wagwan! Why me I tell you?
You see that? So
Yeah, no, some of the work you've done saying, Wagwan.
Ja.
I tell you.
Rim Tim.
What you
Long
mean,
time no
man?
see you.
Yeah, man.
Hearted.
Just release some
But that you walk come in with a hearted thing there, because me the war.
No, me
You're
I
gonna
tell
give
you.
a negative energy.
Me say what the boy they hold me and send me go down go spend 6 months in prison.
What you mean?
Cause so look nigga beat me up, but I know that I'm a woman man, me just have to get rock like 2 fists.
Why, man?
No man, if it's true I say when I love somebody, you put them in a adjust them in a some, give him to a thump and choke him.
Why? Seriously?
What you mean? How you think me love her? I saw me show her my love.
Lose her for you, bro.
Why?
Real man no hit you, man. Real man no hit pitney like that, brother.
No.
You no hit you, man. You no hit pitney like that. Me understand your discipline you, but like, if you kick down and pitney and box down and pitney.
No, I'm a
bro.
woman. I'm a woman.
Yes, but me I say you real man no hit woman or hit pitney like that.
She love when me rock like 2 fists.
Papa, I'm not even want you to talk this one, my woman, she go feel like, say, yo, this is something where she can adapt to and feel like, say, bro.
No, I saw me and my woman find love. This is when in a bedroom and we are doing things, I'm catching our midlight, me just give 2 fists after that for him back to Jordan.
Papa, I understand when you make love and you're going to slap her, but when you say, like, fight her, no, bro.
No, son. How you think my love would have come? My love, it have it stronger. I saw you show woman love. A bad man they want. So you have to give them bad man love. What a little talk here. Oh, what time I serve? You have to show a bad man love. Oh, bro, man.
Bro, there has to be a better way, How? You have mediation. Whether you could have go talk to somebody, you could have even call me and tell me, say, yo, you're a woman have a problem, brother. I could have show you a better way.
At 7 years, me and I there. And if she did have a problem with that shit, I left her. Every time she look for me, every time me and her fight, she get up in her man, baby, me love her. Me say breakfast. I fast, me say breakfast, me. From me, meet her when me never used to beat her, me not see food cook. So if your man cook, thank God. Me feel rock like 2 fists, man. I said, you have to do it.
Oh, man.
Huh?
Disappointed in you, bro.
Oh.
Disappointed in you, bro.
So let me ask you now. So if your woman do something wrong, you know, rock like 2 fists?
No. I know some me grow. It look like you grew a different way. Your father used to beat your mother.
I don't know, but in life, you don't want a man beating.
Nobody bring that. Nobody bring that to her. No, she's being comedic. Nobody with that.
No, sometimes they love that.
No, but me tell her she's being comedic now.
What if you can slam her in the wall? I say, girl, what you do? I still they like it.
You ever consider yourself, say, if you do that to the wrong man pitney or the wrong man sister? What me happen?
No, me not feel say, in life, me not feel say that don't happen, you know, but.
Okay.
You see, as a bad man, you know, of adjust a woman. If I that thing like you hold me, you jerk him and you say, yeah, sit down here, sir. You like that in turn on.
Interesting.
That's some of them, you have many ways how they turn on.
Interesting.
Some of them like when you touch them on their neck. Some of them like when you grab them throat.
Me agree with everything what you say.
Right.
Me not say woman not like that, but me I say you just have to be careful because you gotta just slip the wrong man sister or the wrong man daughter. And you know where you gonna go? 6 feet under. So you might not live to tell the tale the next time I come talk about you just come from prison.
You have a point, but I rather, you know.
Papa, I mean, want you follow with me later, you know, so you know what? We'll see you. Boy, sometimes I wonder what going on with all the young people here. You hear what my Regine said to me today?
What a song why you deal with me? That's exactly how me I tell you to deal with me.
You know, joke, you know. You watch too much cartoon.
I watch cartoon, darling.
I must joke, you joke. Say that really want me put my hand on you?
Yeah.
You work better than this. You work more than this. Why me keep ask you. Somebody who me love. Why me that damage you? And guess what?
I sign up showing love.
Oh.
You know your way friends say? Or you have somebody else out there? You have somebody else
Nobody
out
with
there?
the foolish. No. Nobody with the
I'm
foolishness.
just asking.
What kind of foolish is that becoming a beat to me have somebody?
I'm just asking.
Look on this. You might not be so lucky, you know. You know how much girl a ball so they want to beat them, yeah? You might not be so lucky. You might end up 6 feet deep. You ever think about it? You see much woman dead in a domestic dispute? Stop going like you're blind. Come on. Your eyes are open but you're still asleep. If me do you this be, that means me I love you. Why would I do you that? You feel me?
No, because all the way I said to come to this is and not about eugenics.
You make me sick to my stomach. Me never ever imagine me that see somebody think like you. I follow. You know this is not you.
Of course it's me. But me understand say you're not that type of person, you know, put your hand on a woman. But I can change. Me want to feel some pain sometime. Not just social love, so social love not go that way, you know. Me want to feel some pain. That's all me ask, so me not ask you not how much.
Shanti. Lose half of you. Lose half of you. The only pain may expect you to feel. And when I give birth to a youth, what kind of abuse you want me to abuse you? Boy, I don't know. I wonder if yo, I want to say something about God help me. You want me to change and become a monster? Why?
See, as someone why you deal with me. See the vibes you're just talking a while ago, you just turn me on all of a sudden. Is that so hard?
Shut up. Shanti, you get me ignorant, you know. You get me ignorant. But me, what you see yourself, will never put me hand upon you. So if that's you want, find a way out.
Alright, if I saw you want it, burn under your cloth.
Babes, no, we're not on a good term. But I'll push out. So take care of yourself until I come back.
Go and work, man.
I'm reaching here early. Oh, that sounds like.
Yeah, I gotta work, me, I gotta work too.
Oh, that's.
Don't worry yourself, we can't go nowhere.
No, time ago, I'm already late. Shanti! Answer, she no answer. No. Shanti! This big woman move like Pitney, man. Oh, wait. Shanti! Should be your voice singing me a guitar. On the horse. Maybe she could. Yo, G.
Wagwan.
Sorry, we call us early, man.
Why, man, tell them, me up, man, me up.
I'm going to think your job, uncle.
No, stop, me get up, man. That's how me get up early, man.
Yo, I was Mr. Sorry for calling this early. I'm ask me ask you if you see him.
Oh,
Shanti, man.
Shanti.
Mr. Moms, you know, say I'm born in February.
why?
So I'm going for it,
You know, that one them can't answer you about, you know, trust me.
Really?
Yo, them girls, they are bad girl, yo. Can't really.
Ah, here. I know why you said nothing about my woman, brother. You know why you...
But
No, I don't mean for disrespect you, but here what I say now. That information there, not revealed to me. Me never see nothing like that, so me no want call, me no want make no assumption, and me no want you tell me no I make my head go. So yo.
alright, so you see if you don't believe in me, G. You know me, I do.
Bro, as me say, me no want let me find out for myself. Me no want.
No, me I say now home show you, say, because you don't believe in me. Me I tell you, them girl, they are bad girl.
It's alright, bro. As you say.
Just chill, man. Shut up.
Yo, later.
Alright.
Where you come from?
I'm going to page. Because you not give me, so I'm going to search for it.
Shanti, where you come from?
You know, you want me to say a while ago. Okay.
Shanti. You know, so I call my boy since the and since morning I'm trying to say I'm bad somebody I say yo. And he come like say yo, you approve him, right?
Mm-hmm. So you never tell us say I feel bad me.
I now make you. I promise you say me now put me and see your nail cast. And I now make you send me to prison. Shanti, we have a youth together and at this you do. Shanti, at this you do.
What am I doing? You not give me some, go search for it.
Anything you do to me, I will return to you tenfold. Just remember me to tell you that.
A matter of fact, cut the long talking. You see, this you have to go leave. Because him have to move in.
So me I talk to you. And because me I talk to you. Oh. So yeah, so me for leave.
And that me say.
Tell me say you're a joke.
Me look like me a laugh.
Shanti, be careful where you ask her. Take it from me. This is idiot here. Be careful where you ask her. This might just come back for you and you. And me, I tell you, say, if you let me go through that door today, I can't tell you. I can't tell you, Shanti. Me, I cure your ball, I cure your big, I got alone. Can't tell me look on you. This side. Shanti. This side where you are. Something joke when I run. They tell me about come out. And that's why I didn't know so I should have moved in with you in the first place. You know?
You don't talk. You done with the bag of yapping. You can't leave now. You want me open the door for you?
It's all good. It's all good. Remember, say, me, it hurts. Yes, it hurts. But me, I will get over. I will be back on my feet again. Just remember today when I tell you that. May God bless you. Keep you.
Papa.
Oh, I won. No, man. What is it?
And I pocket here.
What is that about? Listen, man. Cool. That's cool enough for that, man. And you got... See, I got twice.
What me I talk about, Papa? Because you jump to conclusion. What me I talk about?
Maybe
You guilty of something?
No, not really.
You not really. Not really. Yes, no. What?
Wait, alright. Get it. Come not really understand where I try to say. You know, because we just go down, pull a little cool drink, and follow my, alright. Maybe you're fine. Maybe she tell her, yeah.
Oh, so you admit, say, oh, you're there with mom, man.
No, man, I don't really there with her. She just call
You're not
me.
you're not really what, man?
She just call leave me. I said she had spent her one night. No, so alright. Do her one night. I'm taking you some playing cards into track them from the give you a pie, you know. But if she tell me they wanna left. So me I say, boy, if you left then we take her up. But me didn't know that when they call me. And she didn't get ready and me just follow her come down.
Oh, so you want to call you. And you said to me, say you're a bad girl.
Yeah, me I give her hint.
Yeah.
Me I give her hint. But she think that somebody else me I talk to on the phone. That's why me tell you, I say me I go tell her come but you hang up.
Papa, tread lightly.
No man.
Papa,
And that's how we grow, man. You know,
tread lightly.
you know some woman make you share.
Me? I'm not going to hurt you. Because they understand say a woman. But you and me as you know, you're going to do it to another man. Papa, I take you as a friend. As a virgin. Papa, we are apart from day one. When the boss nearly lick you down and me the boss lick because I run out for save you. And this are the payback.
No, me thank you enough time. Me tell her thanks. Me never used to go to church and me go to church.
Papa.
Me thank you.
Papa, so whatever you do to me, whatever you do to me, it can go come back 10 times and more.
No, no, but I pray for that, man. It be easy say, yo, we had him left. So, me a man.
I mash up my life.
Oh!
So this all good.
No, for real.
Papa,
How many weeks?
Shanti, tell me to come out of the house because you are coming. She never mentioned say you, but she said me to make space.
Shanti tell us, say, you if you come out of the house because me a moving.
I teach you to talk or it sound better when I say it. I want to know because I don't understand what I just said. Yeah, repeat what I said.
So Shanti want me to left my little spooky way. You can live with that.
Papa, job well done.
No,
Keep up yourself.
no, my brethren, yo, we can't reason this out. Man, sit down back. Shanti, shut too much. Alright. You see, this anything when you create, you're going to solve it, you know, I'm wicked out here. You're here. Tired. Tired like a dog, man.
You ever tired?
No, man, remember I me have to walk to you, know, man. And you have killed me out. So you want a real bad man, you know, so. I have to bad it up still, what I say so. But, me have to take a break from you. A little. You know?
What do you mean take a break from you?
No, me have to visit my yard too. I 3 days I skip my yard and I can't do that.
So who you have in your yard?
Me not nobody in my yard. But I just me alone. But I still have to
So
give
you
me...
run the yard go do?
Sometimes a man needs space. Remember say,
You can't stay, so I'm give you space.
no, bad man have to have them real toughy. You know, target out space. You see me? So I don't want you to come go on like say, me fit Tanya forever.
But you never say if you Tanya forever.
Yeah, and that's you want hold me. Remember, you know, you put out your man, you know, because you want to feel pain. Yeah, we understand, say, you love rough sex. You love when time you box it up and beat it up, you see me? But sometimes I have to give myself some time. I want to treat them yard. I miss me yard, you know. I have some clothes down there for washing, I have to clean up. You understand? So if I see me for 3 days, I have to just roll with it. You get the point? So how was it?
It was okay.
It was okay. Oh, you're a bad man to take for you that. I take it for you that.
May I take a video?
You're contact boy. You are okay. Say yes! I'm not going to grab it on my throat. But them something that's why you see sometimes you have to cut your 2 backs in the man, because you're going like you're a nerd. You're a nerd, man. You're a nerd. You're a nerd. Listen, my virgin have me up sick of you, you know. Yeah, me never remember. Yeah. When you see me one day on the rain I fall, it told me shame. My beard could have looked on the man. I tried to hide. And boy, I couldn't believe that man have you because of you. You're stupid. You shouldn't tell him to me. You shouldn't tell him to me. You shouldn't do that.
Me never tell him say you.
Why?
You figure it out.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you come like, you know, I'm up now. That's why I'm going to, you know.
How will you look for?
I alcohol, me look for, man.
So you look for alcohol you open the door?
Come feel like I couldn't breathe through you just a while ago. I don't like it. I don't like it. You have to chill sometime, man. Eh? Yo. Every time you have to beat you, why? I don't like beat you, man. Although I'm a bad man. And a bad man will remain as a bad man. You understand?
Mm-hmm. Me understand you.
Why you understand? Yeah, good. You understand me, man. I like that. Oh, I think there's somebody walking in the yard. You know, hey, you go for Matic, man. And
Me never yet see you with Matic, and you love Tabo Matic.
don't worry about that, man. Me have my gun seal on my yard. My 20 gonna come down.
Okay.
You don't worry about that. Just enjoy your life and go and relax. We're all asleep.
As this man sexy sleep. I want this man. What can go so? I could have beat down my door. I'm moving the phone. How can I help you?
Get a direction for the house. Who you? I have some yes and a man there.
Which man?
You have my money in your house to hide or what? What do you mean which
You
man?
look like a kidnapper, miss. Me not have no man hide here.
Me no idiot. Me know how my man look. From back way, side way, front way, everywhere. You can't stop me from coming at this. Me I go prove it today. You should even take off my shoes. Can't say I lie. What you are doing here, so?
So why
And
you
who
beating
she?
up Safa? Who she?
Me woman,
Your woman.
Who
So
she?
who me be?
the girl.
You're a girl. And she a woman.
What are you doing?
What do you mean when me are doing here? What you are doing here?
Oi! Why this a going in my house?
What going right?
Alright, just say a woman, not true.
What really?
How your woman find me yard?
What really are going here?
Yo,
for?
relax, you know. Relax your
How
mouth.
your woman find me yard?
Relax your mouth, you know.
Nobody can talk to me like
my
say.
woman attack you, relax your mouth, you know. Come in at this, you know. Sit your ass down. Sit down.
What the what could that?
Sit down. Look, I work, me get them to school, just work. She have paid me for work. I'm tired of me I catch her sleep.
Me, I pay you for do what? What me I pay you for do?
Shut up!
Yeah. Me find a way. And me see culprit.
You are coming.
Me find a way, man. Taxi man drop me off the right place. And then this one little dirty girl in her. And you know, so my man lay down off in a bed. Well scotch-free asleep. Me make sure so me take him picture. Because I know he lie. I when I see him panic he say I lie. So I have a picture in my phone because I know he stay. Then the little dirty girl when have in here so I can chat about who me. But at the same time, I want to know how she know where yourself, my friend. Thank you for giving me the direction. Me find a way. When me see you later, I talk to you and tell you this book. I never go so.
She take a picture.
Yeah, ask me something, I don't know.
Your dream, man. Your dream.
Dream.
I work me get.
What you doing in a woman bed if I work? You get you working at the bed?
No, I'm not working at bed. Me, she come to wake up the yard.
When?
So, hold on. You work with her?
Yeah, she give me work.
So, you dey work with her and you dey there with her?
No.
So, two type of work you do with her. So, if I rake, you dey rake. What you do in her bed?
I'm tired.
So, garbage in this bed here. You have garbage in the bed. Where you rake it out. So, you're supposed to rake out all of the garbage. You supposed to rake out all of the garbage out of this bed.
Why you embarrass me?
Eh? So, now me understand. And know for your lifestyle, say you don't want no good woman. You like rake out garbage out of bed.
Me think you did say you're a bad man.
Shut your mouth! Me didn't tell her that.
Oh, so you have strength to shout after me.
Hold on.
You can't shout after she.
Oi. Oh, you calm me now, so. I'm not care who for us this. I'm not response for that right now. You hear what me I say? Listen what me I say. Stop telling people my business. Lucky things say lies. Now I want you. You chat too much, man. I don't like man, you love chatting. I want you. What you do you so? Look how you act like you're a baby now. And you're behind me back a cheat for me. You what?
Me not cheat, me I do nothing.
You know, just tell me, say you're in the bed and creep out garbage.
No, me asleep.
I rake you the rake.
No, me did a rake out the door.
But you're catching in the bed.
Yeah,
so that means garbage in the bed too, so you don't rake out it. Till you drop a stick because you're tired. So when you come home now, you don't have no time for me. I say, nobody now come out of this. I want to feel like. Nobody now come out of this.
You're not reasonable. Reason that.
What you mean? Me and she reason. Are you look her? Girl, are you look me man or him look you?
Him look me.
Me look you?
Hold on.
Yes.
How long since you know me, man?
Couple months.
A lie.
True.
A lie. I just want to hear she left put out her man and tell him to come over here, come keep her company. Me I tell her the truth. To come keep her company, but me tell her, listen, me have my woman, so
lie,
me not going to do nothing.
Lie.
You notice you come go see I sleep, right? Me sleep like cat.
So how you sleep in our next woman bed when you have your woman? The wait must be 3 days no and 3 nights. Me no see you no tall in my eyesight. What is the problem?
I tell you, tell me I kidnap
me.
Me
look like a kidnapper? Don't tell a lie for me.
No, machete in her, right?
No, me not have machete.
No, you what?
It's so.
She have a deal. She have a deal, remember me tell her. She have a deal. Her husband when she put out have 50 million to collect, right?
How would that concern me and you? After we money?
No, you know. That's the deal coming between me and you. No.
So you plan for woman money?
Don't touch me.
I catch you and catch me with your girl money.
No, she will give me.
Where you do buy out the story?
No.
You not come out of it.
Hello.
I know you point up your. Hey, no me post bad out
you want to lose it?
I know you point up your finger in my man face now. Oi, so. She me good can't satisfy you.
You can't. No, she will give me 20 million.
I money you talk about. So woman can buy you away from me. You're cheap.
No, baby, but you never get. And you may work if
So me if I allow you to sell your body, if you can't give me money. How that go? That means say me and you can make a deal then. Since as a that you depend. You want to hear the deal? Because you're too hype. You want to hear the deal?
Why?
You want there with she continually while me get a next man? Come remember say you're jealous like dog.
No.
Remember say you not even want answer fly touch me. You not even want to see one man run you, you're ignorant and fool.
No, baby, no.
So, but you want to do what you don't want me to do. No. Is that fair? May I ask you a question? That fair? For you cheat on me, you're a womanizer, and me just sit down at home like a yammed?
No,
where you take me for fool and some dunce? Look here, you see the illiterate girl where you talk to, and I come go on like I want to style me with Kevin walking on my shoes. And that you do?
You can't walk in my man's shoes that my wife is to be.
Your wife to be, you're in our next woman bed. There's a wicked that saying if me and you did married, you like a woman in a matrimonial bed. There's a wicked evil lucky drunk.
There's one to ring the finger them, that means it's sealed, everything sealed. Me wanna do it. So we can't go now, we can't walk.
Go which part? If me never come in here so you're down there sleep still, you breathe her? Eh? Because sometimes when you don't breathe woman, you know, you fall asleep instead of a woman. See there? Or something she give you make you can't wait.
I true, she knocked me, she kidnapped me, I have me a 3 days and hold me with
and you have the heart to tell me, I'm finna come home over 3 days now. 3 nights now, me ain't asleep. And me call you on phone and you go tell me about I work here, they work. I work for you. Because see, I rake out the trash out of the bin. You rake out the trash out of the bin. Because you already tell me say I rake did I rake out trash.
Get 120 million. Tell her. Please tell her say your husband don't get
Oi. Me?
Yeah.
This she money. For what?
You don't want to live. You don't live your life.
Hello, you better talk fast enough.
Me no money I give nobody.
Oi, a money talk and bullshit walk. You see, if me not hear when me want hear right there, so I dead before this now. Yo, sit down there, so. And not say nothing to me. All you hey girl, go over there, so. Go over there, so.
You better listen. You better.
Take down here and shut there. Look, yo, shut up.
Come on, I'm ready.
Yo, me don't want you not talking for now. Make the deal right there, so now. If you don't want the excitement creating in this community here, right now, make a deal. And listen. Straight to me account. How much money you give me, girl, and make me see you back with my man again. I pay me if you know, slap you down a ground right now, you know. And that me I tell you. And me I give you one message. To go tell your family them say, anyhow, me see you with my man again. Or even if me not see you, I just hear me ear. Or glimpse you. Hey? You're not going to stand up on 2 feet. You're going to lay down on your back. Hold that.
Pass my phone, give me.
Yo, send it to me account. You see you? You know my account number. How many phone and give me can put in there? Come and knock out the 2 on in here where you feel like.
Send.
It in there? So me know your thing. Oh. I forgot to get on silent. Lucky. Oh, lose the style. You have running belly. Sit down and wait until me tell you figure out.
Oh, what's that? The briefcase. Yes. The briefcase of money. Yeah, man.
You look like you own something in a girl house. A long time you are there. Come out.
Chat.
Come out, Junko. You see you? You see if I never send the money at this savior, the money you have to pay to survive in this life. Pay to live in this life. You understand? Because if you not pay to live, you know say, if it's not life, it's death. All that. I'm not talking with you, girl. Let me see you back with my man again. I not like it. I'm serious. Next time I now come empty-handed. You might tell you about me, boy. You'll see it in your face next time. That me.
I want this puppy.
Sister girl. You know, say I want to be a car. You're free now. You know. That's what you
Say I walk up on no.
Yes.
No.
No, I'm not mad at you. Me really want to see. Really want to see you, cause you know, see you're mad. You're mad. You're psycho. I don't know if out of my mother, vagina you come true. If I come from the said mother because you're mad. You have a good man, you know. You're good man. You left him. And so you want bad man, you want people fists in your face. You want pain. You know what is pain? Pain is on the pan period. Pain is on the pan period. And the pain do you want? But you want man to thump in your face. See, you know, you pick up big idiot. Big fool papa, you pick up. When you have woman, I beat him. The woman not beat him. Eh?
Lecture, you really come here to lecture me?
Yes, because you're fool. You're the bigger one, you have no sense like you never go to school.
I don't know say me are the bigger one. Why you raise a fight after me?
No, excuse me. You say true, you have no sense. If you short off, you understand, you have no sense. We want man to beat you for, you idiot. We want man to beat you for. Eh? We want man to...
So.
Move first. Not too come too close to my face. Not too come close to my face.
I'm really attacking you.
No, but
Yeah,
like you're bad now, you know. No bother with it.
You have no sense.
I play me, you play soft. Me a bad,
I play
bad man.
You're a bad man.
You're bad when you're around me. Well, you're bad when you're around.
No, me a
Yeah,
bad
bad.
man.
You say I'm a bad man. When you're around.
Me
Bad
all-
man for you, but not bad man for she.
Yeah, yeah. Me box down. If me go, me box down that.
Where?
Me say,
Every time I know man, I come and hear you.
yeah, me say
Yeah.
me go and go box down that.
Something I chat so
You
foolish.
tell us the money,
Mhm.
and me get the money.
Eh.
Me just give him 2 clap and say, yo, send the money in my account. Now, so me
Yeah,
know what you are
watch out.
talking about.
Watch it, I'm sure some say man a bad man. I'm sure you demonstrate say man a bad man.
What am I talking about?
Lord,
I want that.
I want this one. Alright.
Relax yourself. Relax. We are trying to prove a point. Relax.
You're a bad man, so me a try to show you you're a bad man.
If I laugh at pronouns.
If I did bad man box me down long time. I
No.
idiot this. This is your fool.
Oh, let's tell me that.
You don't know
You,
sense.
because you act like one.
Box him right now, you not lick your back.
Yo,
Chuck him down, you not lick your back.
You're yo talking, now go shape me again.
listen me.
Cause after when me see go on ready, none of what you say can shape me
So tell-
again.
What happened?
What happened with
The
that?
woman find me yard. I come over there, come beat him.
Lion!
Oh,
Hey,
alright.
hey.
The whole community
Oi.
here because you
Lad.
walk big.
Oh my.
You
So
believe-
where woman there now? Where woman there? I'll beat
Ask,
you.
ask him.
You believe her?
But the whole community here, so obviously she gonna believe.
You know, say I want idiot.
Me a
No,
idiot.
you're the idiot.
Me a the idiot.
How you again?
Oh, I'm a sister. But I'm here to
Yes,
say
I
that
know
she got
that.
the same.
I know that.
Eh.
It's not the first I'm seeing you. It's
So-
not the first to meet.
So you ask me for
So when you come and
Because
suffer?
you rang. Somebody say, oh,
who
you?
rank?
When you come
When
and
I
suffer?
tell it, below you know just smell. Come, me no rank. I'm a
When you come
BM.
and suffer?
No, me say, no touch me. When we say,
When you come and
when we say to you, relax.
Nah,
yourself.
nah.
what's the man
Mercy.
but off my fingernails?
Relax. You talk. You talk.
You don't have no sense. No boy can do me that. No day, no time.
You ever have a man before?
No.
Good. So shut your mouth. Your sister loved me because me.
I
me pan it
idiot
up.
that. I don't true vagina she come but at the other door she come out through. I know the vagina at the other door.
Which other door?
The other door I done there cause I could never the vagina cause me come to the vagina and me have sense and me
shut
last
up,
come
cut,
out.
Shut up, cut.
No, I no cut. You know what you got tight in your belly and you run got
Lord of God.
and that she come through cause she no got no
You know,
sense.
say this me.
You don't have none.
You are this me, no?
What is you?
Yo, yeah.
Get some
Don't touch
sense.
me.
I can link you later.
Link who?
No rest over here.
Me think you man come here so fi apologize.
No,
You come talk up your face and I talk about, oh, me a call link you later.
Alright, my woman say apologize to you.
Your woman, so why your woman not come here so herself?
No, because she afraid.
Afraid.
She not bad
She
woman.
afraid.
Me say
She
me go
don't
go thump her,
afraid.
As far as me see, she not afraid of nothing.
Listen to me.
So why
Ask
she
me
not there
carefully.
herself?
Listen to me.
Just
So
relax,
she-
man. Don't just
Relax.
argue too much.
She
Yo,
are bad.
yeah,
Huh?
now follow your sister now. Because you see, if you follow she, you turn idiot.
Are you, right now you are telling me an
Look
idiot.
at Fanny. What are you saying? You said me tell you now saying you left good rich man come pick up clothes. Me not talk person agree. You don't know.
Let me
Go
tell
on
you
in your
this.
yard. Go on in your yard. Go
Bad
on in your
man, no.
yard. What?
Bad man no beard. Bad man no do them head. Real bad man just out a road a park.
Okay, me think you're a bad man, but no, me know you're a mad man. A mad man alone, me know no beard. Go on.
Me not talk person
Me
talk to you. Me come.
One.
Me come go about me. But you know how much. You just
know what?
So everybody just go and listen. What's up?
Yeah, yeah.
Around, put this. Don't worry, bad man.
Oh, so you're serious? Me never tell some no you're in the yard.
We tell her to be a chicken later. Love to you, man.
Don't touch me. Don't touch. Hello, oi, it's you man there.
Come here. No go in there. Don't put another step. Come out and say to me.
She.
Come. You're not left this
No,
area there.
no,
What
no.
sweet you go and sour you. Come on.
No, you know. She.
So why you take off your clothes?
No. Oh. How?
Put on your shirt.
No, me don't know how you come on. No, no.
Put on your shirt. Me know say no know it come off. It come off invisible. Duppy teeth your shirt.
Me did,
Come.
me just remember, me did hot.
Yeah, Duppy take
Me
you
did
off
hot,
for you.
and me
Duppy
take
teeth
you off.
you off for you. Come.
But you know, me I do nothing. Me
What?
don't do nothing.
Where they do back at the yard when me tell us say
How me
nothing?
reach over here, so?
Yeah, ask me.
How me reach here,
Ask
yard?
her 2 foot them.
How me reach here? Babe, listen. I'm going to tell you the truth. She tell me say you're over here. She call on the phone and tell me say over here. Over here. You want to talk to me and you.
Button up your clothes. I say you want to look on the road and come and get
You
yard.
call your phone? When?
Why you make sure lick every time? I want him.
I don't mean if
Why she put her hand for you?
I see you.
You're not still in a business?
No.
So what this right here so?
Me don't want her.
Me not understand. Explain yourself. Quick and fast.
You know
Before me give you 2 out of
Alright.
5.
Alright. Don't tell her. Don't tell her what happened. She called me, said she give me one.
Oi, I saw me see a little while in you can't see your name going there enough.
No, me
you
not
got
going.
rubbish again out of the bin. So,
No.
you put up one in your foot
No,
to say
me-
you never. Hey, you know farm where the trailer from?
Me a sure.
Eh?
Me a sure.
I'm glad she had trailer and sister I'll be a liar tell.
Hey girl, you look like you love people, man. Cause you're the arbor me.
Me, oh me
You
a
the
arbor
arbor me man, yes sir.
I say, oh me a arbor him ear.
You see any of your breed? He not take it. Cause me never tell you say you fi go give away your front for free. Oi, button up your clothes and come on and come out of this. Cause I don't want to get myself in a no problem.
No, but you don't understand me. I try to tell her, say, she tell me, she cry and tell me, say, you're over here. So,
Me? When me I do a you idiot old butterfoot girl yeah.
maybe your money you can look at me now, say sometimes you licky for your money.
No rank with me. No rank with me. No rank with me. You know say enough to rank with me already. Girl no just send too much million in that on
You're
your account.
embarrassed me in front of that.
In
Don't
front-
call me no dad.
You see say you a fool? You mad. You see say you a fool? You're there with people man and them a call you mad in front of them. You see say you stupid?
I know only
That's
you
why you
mean.
had trail him, right?
I know
What
only
you
you
see
mean.
happen a while ago?
Straight in there in did I come. Me see him, me a trail him from way down a war.
Actually, I think I have a pumpkin feel.
Which-
I didn't want to curve.
So a pumpkin feel you like.
No, me just want to curve out that little.
So you want to turn me in a pumpkin field or me not turn in a it for you so you can get
Come out of me.
Me never want it to go wild, so me tell her, I say, me I can help her with the field.
feel.
Yeah.
So she have how much you call her now?
Yeah. How much you call me? How much you call?
So you weed out I'm Lana, you don't know how much you can be. You see a idiot? You see that whole the way they use and weed out people and come carry back ground. Me tell you that. Come, go so. Anything where they give me man up. You know say I tell your time? I tell your time. Because I don't see you have nothing in there so what you want. More than you, they act like you're rich. I must see all your parents money your teeth. Because I hear say you don't have no money. Go so. Where you do? Where you do? Where you try to do?
No, I
You're
said
in love.
I said
You send a kiss with roses before you leave. Take with yourself.
You see me do that?
Let me see if you do. Go on in your yard.
Come on, look.
Go on in your yard before me mash you up here. You hear me I tell you? You see all you girl? Me want you already, you know. And you make me come back and catch you man. I take time I tiptoe in your house. You come out ready to open up door to let him in. So the in vehicle him to come in your yard.
Then they safe.
You see anything where they look for? You go so are you. Me love the warning first, you know. You see when me can't give the warning no more, then you will find out. Come out here, dirty thing.
Plastic man favor.
Talk to man. Night and king. I next time I know that come really falling.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
Go on, you man.
Don't push me.
Go on, you. I move so. You're bad man, you want. Let me put it in. You want to put it in. You want to
Yes, put it in. Put it in, no? Put it in if you're bad. What did just say if you do? Put it in.
What you do?
Hey girl, why you love take people man so?
Me and the care man.
You can't find your one man, you run with your man and I take people. Alright, stay on it. You.
You couldn't wait till me come in. I'm going in.
Alright, big up yourself. Your bossy. Your bossy. Your bossy. Alright.
Let me try to stay here before you come in. Let me
Move!
just...
Open up this. Open up the door. Outside and bright.
Every time I see you, I see trouble.
Put it in.
Yeah, man, I put it in.
What you mean? You not smell like piss. You not care out for your piss from morning and how much o'clock now. You not smell like piss, so them a nasty girl you want. Girl we are pissing a chimney.
No.
Then girl and a flush toilet, so you want them kind of girl like, they make you used to things too much.
Some man say when you rent you better, because you know until you have goat, and you have goat, you have kill goat, the goat have to rent.
How you call goat?
You never call the goat.
Hey, a long time if you bust up your face and a girl. You want to leave me man alone, you know. Oi, me want you leave me man alone.
Yeah,
you want me
come
to
and
tell
help
you?
the cut
I don't want to dust you out.
Hey,
I tell you a long time if you leave me man alone, you know, shut your mouth in here. Shut up your mouth.
Help you, babes. Me help you.
Help me do it. Put it in.
Oi, you come out. Take out the.
See, I'm God Almighty thing. See there, piss. Me know me smell piss for a long time. Come out. Come out. Come out. Wear shoes. Come out.
Yes, you.
Come out.
That's your fear, right?
Me I go dash you with fear. Yeah, because me piss in there, so me I dash you with fear. Stand up, me I chat to you.
Huh?
Stand up.
How am I going to
Oh, you're there in a house with woman who no care about them piss from morning. Look on this a big
Look,
old, this a big old piss what here. Eh? Iowa. So you think me need to trail you? Your feet say me not have yard pan you.
So
Your feet say me not have some satellite dish in the area.
So-
Anywhere you there me know.
So
Boy,
what's me?
take that. Go. You smell rank or beard. And that you do a this me and I give me bun.
I feel
Let them
your
know.
piss.
Nasty girl yeah.
I feel your piss, man.
No, really,
Big
I'm
old
up here, so.
It's that.
What do you? You make a man dash piece by picture and catch me.
Hey, yo. Come on to people business.
No.
Come on to people business. Nobody no call you here so. And that you forget. That you forget me warn you a long time.
And I you say you're a bad man.
Hey girl, I should have hear about me that she piss
And
in
you
you know.
say,
Cause you're piss.
That's true. It's
and you say you're a bad man. And I take piss in her face. What can go so?
He go so. Because you nasty. And you know much
Me nasty, but me
now.
not take piss in my face.
After 5 I go 6.
What
And
can
daylight
go
from
so?
morning. He go so.
Yo,
And this go so. What can go so? And
Now
this
come
go
back
so.
to
The
me and
nastiness
tell me
you have in there from
listen,
morning.
me done with you, you know.
Then oh you
Me
know
done
no
with you
know.
long
Me
time.
done with you because you're
Come out of
pissed.
me yard.
Right?
Oh yo.
Done with that. Me not.
You know
Come
no
out
nose.
come out of me yard.
You not have no nose. As we
When-
go in there, me smell rankness.
Me want
And
tell
you
you
in the bowl let me put it in and you not smell like the piss there.
Yes, when.
That mean the girl no beard from mine, but you see when. Me no want you nothing from you.
When man, they put a pump mission or where you want to call it, we don't have no smell. We just
Your nose cock up.
we
In
just
time
sticky.
there.
'Cause if we know open up and smell anything, we nature dead. And that is the thing.
So you have
the secret.
cock up nose solution. Go on. Go on in your yard. And don't make me reach home before you. Go to your yard. Go to your yard right now. If me never take one taxi and reach one. What me say if you do? You look like you're deaf. You're deaf. Yo. Hey girl. My last warning me I give. You hear me?
Come out of me yard, miss.
Last warning. Me I give you the last warning. Alright.
Kim, how you run this and hide for?
Ashanti, yeah, you get the guy see? You gotta beat them man and come in and eat. Eh? Who me say? I say you're pissed the rank. We say look bit
That
of
no
piss catch
concern
me.
you.
I must be thinking me done out. You never take out your chimney if you make me come here, go take out the fear. See that ambition?
Hey, sister, you know? You feel
So,
so back.
have your back with a ranking pace. Me say, me get a news say. And you watch me up here. Pipe, but me never know say a she, me know say a she, me no come up here. You know, see me on tall. You mad?
You don't say.
I'm afraid of she.
If you have manners,
Good one.
you're not no manners.
Me no man doing.
You're not no manners.
What would that manners
You're a
doing?
bigger sister, you know? You have to show respect.
Oh, you have sense?
Me might not have
Yeah.
no sense, but you have to show respect.
I'm sure respect him.
Hi, good afternoon. Christ.
And who you, sir?
Oh God, how I ring so?
I'm a sister piece, but I try things that me a smell.
Hi.
My sister piece. I just say dash with
You
my
sick?
one man.
No. Anyways, I know that and I really that me did come out. No sir.
Sorry,
Oh
come
God.
You know him?
Your
No.
ex, your boyfriend, or is your ex-man? I think he's your ex-man now. Oh yes, you never know, say they actually they don't build up 2 house. Yes, man, I go on good, you know. I go on good then. I even did find out, say you're even pregnant for him.
Pregnant? Who pregnant?
She pregnant.
How you know my business?
She pregnant.
So then, man, me and the man is good friend. And he tell me everything, I actually go check if you're alright. Yes, pregnant.
Wait. Who breed you?
The ambitious one.
Ambitious one breed you. And you have the idiot one that walk on the baby head.
Jesus.
Could you become like a fool? Hello!
Tap the business.
So that's why the man left her.
She put out the man because she want a man with a beat her. But I never beating man in take up is an idiot man when woman a beat him every day.
I say go. So.
No, that's never the problem.
So you don't have a house and you don't have a man. You single.
He have a
I have a house and my house.
I feel houseless.
You single.
We have to
You
say
want a man.
Yes, but I love to take.
No. You have business in your face. You know what man with me. But what you wash.
Sorry.
What is not this? Are you here with that?
So yeah, sorry officer.
Your house look nice though. It a going.
Thank you.
2 room and with the door already. It look nice. Anyways, want to talk to you careful and I go home. We can go hold a conversation. Come on, talk to you in private.
The thing you have to say to me, you can say to me, so I'm here alone there, so.
They say bush have ears.
Yeah. Well, obviously. I'm not going to go down here because I'm not make you set me up.
Me? Set you up? Me will never do that. Remember you are my baby father. Make you cut the dirty boy from yesterday. So him not did it.
You kick him out. That I'm not to do with me. Oh. I run from the pain now. As I say, just the way I say, because I have a whole time. See me I come up my back bus. So not. I want to get the load off and back. I want to cool off. I want to go sort out. I have to sort out. If I go back to work tomorrow, so. Just run the lyrics. I'm here with you, because I have a whole day, so.
I know so the boy him not as bad as me think. See I'll carry woman in my place. And you are the woman are the bad one because as she deal with me like a fear house. And I box him, I kick him, all that short in his face.
That's on you, Shanti. That's on you. You don't have to deal with that. You want to put on yourself in that predicament there? You want to take on yourself out. You walk and look for me what I'm supposed to do. You the one feel pain. But try to explain to you say you want to see this thing go. I try for nourish you. I try for cherish you. But guess what? It was too much for you to handle. You can't handle a real man. Now you run. Stay in your pain. As I say, I want to move go up so I want to go up on my yard, you know. So just talk where you have to talk. If I that you don't talk?
No, me not done talk. Me just want you come back. Or you can't move come up at your place. Remember me your baby mother, you know? And the belly constantly grow.
That's expected. That's a given. If you're pregnant, the belly must grow. So what I say? Shanti, you waste my time. Yo, I go up go get some things though. No disrespect. Go chat another time. But also what I say, not really make no sense to me.
Wait.
Shanti, just sorry. I don't mean fair salty, but hear me say now.
But remember the baby.
What about the baby? No understand.
But pregnant, the baby, I'm gonna need you.
I know that. And as soon as the baby born, I shall be there. Be there in the sense for come check on the youth. That's it. Provide what the youth need. I think you have to take that baby thing too far, you know, like you use the baby as a skateboard, you know. But you hear me I say? Don't play with me youth. If you want me here, you good. Don't play with me youth. I don't have nothing personal against you, but just don't play with me youth. You see that saying they will say if you can't catch Quacker, you catch him shot. Look like that you try now. Like it's true you can't get a hold of me, you know. You want to use the baby like you hurt the baby, you know. My friend, know what you do. Know what you do. If you want me here good, don't take a chance with me youth. Don't go on like you want to hurt me youth.
You don't know my best by now, sis. I'm there.
A good one, when I see you.
I couldn't tell when me see you.
Hey, sis, come up over there. Sis, come here.
I run around on the house. Come here,
That's what I make you run, sis. I have to run, sis.
Because every check on tell me, oh, me for run my life. Oh, me here say how I want up here beat you.
Hey? Who tell us so?
Your sister.
Right.
No, if I didn't your life, me I live still. Me want that the life there me can't get it. Because my man...
The life they don't nice, trust me.
My man say not do it because I'm a good man, you know see. You
You're
know
not
see
be glad.
sense
You're
that
glad to get a good man.
But me don't think that is showing love.
Man, I just show she had to do most things that make me there see me in a but I say one day I got tired of it. But me I tell you,
But
sister
I really
not
like to
good.
see your woman do where I beat you.
What make you want
She
to?
make 50?
She not 100 now. She a mad
Me
woman.
not mean so. Me mean how she look. Or 100, which one?
She stay like a sister.
Blood clean the way I do that the woman there. You can't manage that the woman there.
What?
You said
But
both
they not see
this
me now build mostly little time.
not twice your size.
Twice my size. No. See how you.
Me not catch you now.
What you do?
I want the backside.
Yes, guys, no, you can't fight him, my sister. No do that. You're mad, you know.
I just have a woman there. You ask.
My sister. What do you?
You who?
My sister.
Hello.
Me don't wanna get
Oi.
Look.
My sister. Me know a woman. So why you angle me like this?
Look how my other sister come in. You never war.
Are you woman this?
Yeah, my woman.
You have a right to free that.
Me don't want no girl there on you.
I want thing, you know. I want thing. I have to tell you.
Me not believe. Me not believe say your sister.
It's yourself. Stop.
I want this.
I'm a sister.
I want thing. Me. I have to tell you. You can't stop me from calling my brother. Yeah.
Relax. Relax. Not big relax. Calm
You
down.
might be the woman, but I'm your sister.
Go on, sis. Go on. I'm mad woman, you know. I'm mad woman, sister. I don't say I'm mad too.
How we are call mad?
You're really mad.
Where you go? May I tell you
I
something,
don't
sister?
want to
You
really
still
pick
try
up.
fighting.
You don't have no ambition.
I say it's there. I'll keep running my sister.
Me don't want no girl here. Me don't want you run no girl. That's why me don't make you work. That's why me don't make you work. That's why I make it turn a yard. Me very, very jealous when it come towards you. So me don't understand why. Me don't tell us me don't want nobody here yard.
My sister just go and look for me.
As son we use game and talk about sister.
What you mean?
I bet you say no cook cause you out your cock up with the man.
Food ready. Sister, that's go on now. The food. Not paying no mind. Just go in that house.
No touch me.
Not share food, yeah.
Don't touch me. Food better already.
I take off your bag. You see I left your bag. Guys.
How are you done? Mulko? Ada?
Me glad me see you.
Me glad. Me must see you get the regular in the boat.
No, that. Stop forget about that.
Let's talk to some more then.
No, my brother, big old fat bullfrog.
Beat
me
me,
over
you
the
meet
sun.
her.
Yes, she beat me. And run me out.
So a good something that?
What you mean a good something that?
You see how people who beat they finally get somebody.
Me never say a woman. Why would I want a woman to beat me? And then you so big and ugly. Listen. I'm going to fuck with that girl then.
Man, daddy, he's the kind of make she beat up and nobody can beat up. Come look. You can't beat me up. You never come
What you mean nobody can beat you?
You need to come on my karate.
You beat her before?
Me meet her before.
You say big and fat?
Me see
You
how
say your maga?
Yes, and so, me know to fight karate. Me can't fight. Come on my karate class, somebody won't beat up you, because you're an idiot. How if a girl beat up you? Where your brother did it? What you did it?
Try to turn up there at child party and instead he will get licked too.
Because I tell you, the woman beat Trey. I tell you, she beat Trey day and night. Every day in beat Trey. Eh? Every day in beach. And you see, truth, I tell you this. You see Trey now not sense. You see, supposed to know, because Trey grew and come up. He make woman take you for idiot. And he bigger than we. And me the little one can't push on around. Because we don't no sense. You told us big and full.
She's sad.
Eh?
You can't go my yard in no cars.
Oh, no sense. Eh? You don't get sense.
You don't look so.
You have a right to say no look so because you don't got none. You can't say bring my man. You make girl beat up in your run.
I fear yard with them. Well, I don't really fear.
I don't fear yard. I told you I paid the little bill. She have a little money. I tell you, she said, get up and go look at work after me. Woman bat abuser.
Never again. Me have to go strap. Me come to my yard.
Where your yard? Me not go over there today. Me not time for them. And if I'm business to deal with. Eh? Every day. Papi sure.
You know? Hey.
Me say me ask you.
That to me.
Yes. How you make your little big where woman there? Where woman there?
In our house,
So me tell me take my time. Take my time. How you make a woman beat up your own sister?
Listen,
You want a sister?
It happened so fast, sir. I mean, I try to tap him and tell him, say, I'm a sister, and it just happened.
I'm still not talk to you because you're not no sense. You're not no sense.
Sense. I mean, me not
You're
have
not
no sense.
no. Listen to me. Listen to me.
What?
You can't deal with somebody when they bat abuse you day and night go. You see a bull buck up the beat you.
Eh?
Every day she get up, she beat you, she beat you, come. You what? Beat the stick? Eh?
I told me a good man, I can't put me on a woman.
You can't put a woman?
No.
You say she put her hand on you, so you push her down, she will drop. You know what I'm saying?
I fully mash up the place.
She not mash up no, she go mash up the place, she not so big.
Oh.
Every day you get up, you make him a beat, you go you beat up. I said to him for his sister. She want a man with a beat her. And a man with a beat her, she have.
Today, I mean, I talk about that too, you know, because I tell him, say, sis, I know good, you know, make you see, like, you have a good man, stay with a good man, power. If you get a bad man, you go hate it. In a long run, you go sorry at that.
I tell you yesterday, me dey here. And me dey walk up on my business, and I tell me I'm going to know me go, but I know say me go my business. Then I look at she and me see them from come out. Me ask her say if a dog, or a cow, or a donkey, or a mouse something that run her done. Poor me never know say I fight you when you fight with she. Eh? Oh, hello, mom,
What your problem?
mom. Me tell you this. Me know karate. No start with me like this, you know.
How she?
How me? You have to say my sister. You hear me? Me say my to say my sister.
I am CM1.
I am CM1.
Yes.
I am CM1. Watch this.
I'm.
Eh? Where is strong for? Me say I know my sister. This is for you.
No, not kill him. No.
Around with you.
Yes,
Eh?
yes.
Around with you, my girl.
No, fight.
Control that woman. You think I'm a brother this? No ramp with me, man. Me no ramp. You know what me? Right. Any day me hear say you beat her, my brother again. I done you, you know. Now put back your hand on him.
Me tired of
Hey,
it.
yeah.
I saw my sister
Hey,
coming tired
No
of it.
ramp with me. Don't that day put your hand on my brother.
I tired. She tired of it.
You're bright. No ramp with me, man.
You should have
Ramp
come out.
with me.
You should have come out. Come go in.
And you little one more time, you just go call me.
Not
Go
tired.
call me. Me can't fight. And my idiot sisters and my idiot brother, they don't have no sense.
She tired of it.
Beat him when me gone. Beat him when me gone. Beat him when me gone. Near you.
So you mean that it's time to go in?
One in. Get up and go in. I owe me a chat too.
You know, you
Get out, me
you know,
say.
you
Get up.
Talk to you.
Go in, man, go in. Yawa. Turn up on her. Him bribe they want to come beat up my brother. Any day she beat again, come call me. Come call me. Bribe.
If you talk heavy too.
Heavy, ow! You must come back out there, girl. I'm not fight with you. I'm tired. Tell me tired.